Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hello, Writing Wizards, and welcome back to Master Cursive with Colors, where each stroke is a sprinkle of fun. And I'm Miss Jackie, and so very happy to help you with your cursive magic today. The mission is to continue learning the cursive lowercase letters of M, N, and V. In the last lesson, you learned how to form these letters with big rainbow writing movements, and today that will change to medium-sized movements. Before we can jump in, make sure you have your supplies. Today, you will need stoplight colored markers and one big dark marker. I'll be using blue, but you can use any dark marker that you'd like. Finally, you also need workbook page 18 from your Master Cursive with Colors workbook. If you need to go gather these supplies, pause the video and go get them. I will wait here until you get back. Okay, buckle up, Brainiacs, because here we go. Here I have my supplies for today. Workbook page 18, my stoplight colors, and a big chunky blue marker. The stoplight colors are going to help us know where to start, pause, and stop. So let's do first things first. Take your green marker and work with me. We're going to follow the directions, and here it says to put your name on it. I'm going to write my name, Miss Jackie. You write your name the best that you can. And then I see that there are some directions. It says to copy the sample and then write a certain amount of times. And on this paper, when I count all the dots where I will start my letter at, I count 6 times. So please write your name and number 6 right there. Keep that marker in your hand because we are going to now mark where each letter starts. And if you remember from our rainbow writing, M starts on the baseline, N starts on the baseline, and the letter V starts on the baseline as well. If you remember from rainbow writing, we actually don't need the yellow. So we're going to just pick up the red. There is no place that we pause on M, N, or V. So let's just mark where M ends, N ends, and V ends up at the midline, not right off the baseline. Well done. Okay, so I'm going to now change over to my blue marker. I'm going to take my stoplight colors away, and I'm going to ask you to listen while I explain and remind you how each letter is written. I'm going to lift my paper to the right. If you're lefty, you lift it up to the left. And here we go. Please listen like an owl and watch like an owl. The letter M starts on the baseline. And now instead of pushing my arm, I'm going to be using my hand, wrist, and fingers. So I place my marker on the start dot and I ramp up and I hump over once, twice, 3 times, and on the 3rd time I come down and curve up for a connector. Please do that with me now. Are you ready? Here we go. On the green dot, we'll go up and Humpty Dumpty 1 and a 2, back up, and a 3, and then curve from the baseline up to the connector. Nice job. Let's continue together. Place your marker on the start dot, and we're going to curve up and hump over at the midline. Come all the way down to the baseline, back up, hump at the midline again, straight down, follow that line up, pull away for another hump, and then touch the baseline with a curve for the connector. Nice job. M is quite a wide letter. Here we go for the next one. Are you ready? Follow with me. We ramp up and Humpty Dumpty over once, touch the baseline, follow that up, Humpty Dumpty at the dotted midline, touch the baseline, back up, Humpty Dumpty one more time, and at the baseline, curve up for a connector. Nice job. So we traced once, and you did 2 times with me. That's 3 things that we've done together. What I'd like you to do now is finish the rest of the row. And remember, if at first you don't succeed, try again. I will work while you work. How did you do? I'm very pleased with my M's. I think they're marvelous. However, I can see that some are better than others. And did you remember the trick of how to know how many humps? 1, 2, 3 rhymes with me. Or 1, 2, 3, I like me. Do you have 3 Humpty Dumptys on each one? Go through and tap your marker to see if you have 3 humps. This is more like a point than a hump, but I'm doing my best, and while I learn, sometimes I make mistakes. And as I look at this whole row, I have to find my very best M, and I believe mine is this one. I don't know where yours is. Maybe it's first, maybe it's last. Remember, you can't pick the copy sample. Nice job. All right, I think we are ready to go down to the next letter. This will be an I do. I'm sorry, I think we can just go right to we do. We are getting better at listening to our directions and knowing how to follow Miss Jackie. So I'm going to turn my paper. Let's put our big, thick, chunky marker on the start dot, and let's ramp up and Humpty Dumpty over once, down to the baseline, up and over, and come down to the baseline and curve up. And notice that there are only 2 humps on the letter N, for N-O means no. Now, go to the first dot and please do it with me. Are you ready? We're going to ramp up to the midline and Humpty Dumpty curve, touch the baseline, follow that line back up, curve at the midline, come down and make a curving connector after I touch the baseline. Nice. Let's do another one together. Ready? Here we go. Curve up and at the midline, Humpty Dumpty over, come down to the baseline, follow that line right back up and curve and Humpty Dumpty one more time, touch the baseline and then curve up for a connector. Well done. I think it's time for a you do. Please pause the video if we're going too fast. Go at the own speed that feels right for you. I will work while you work. How did you do? Now let's use that little trick and make sure that each of your N's only have 2 Humpty Dumptys. Because N-O spells no, 2 letters. And when I look at all of my N's, I particularly like my second one. I don't know where your best one is, but mark your very best efforts. And I think we are now ready go down to letter V together. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's take our marker, place it at the very start dot at the bottom, and let's ramp up and Humpty Dumpty over, and we're going to do a curve at the bottom, come straight up to the midline, and then make a walking bridge connector. Nice job. Now let's do the next one together. We're going to ramp up and make a Humpty Dumpty, and we're going to make a little curve on that baseline. Come up and make a walking bridge over. Now for a V, I tried to make it a little pointier than rounded. So I'm going to try that for this time. Here we go. Ready? Ramp up and Humpty Dumpty over, touch the baseline, and then go up with a bridge over. I like this one. It's not so wide. I don't want it to look like a U, and it's not pointy like a print bee, but it is a little pointier than rounded. All right, I think that you are ready to finish the row. Please go at your own pace, and I will work while you work. I think mine are very nice. I'm sure yours are too. And when I look here, I want to look for a V that is not very rounded and has sort of a point without being a point. And I think this one is my best V. Please mark your best effort. Well done. Fantastic job, Cursive Stars. Today, we practice proper letter formation with chunky marker strokes for some middle-sized magic. Keep practicing by copying more pages from today's lesson and working on your own until each letter feels just right. Remember, the more you practice, the more your cursive flows and your confidence will follow. You know what else? Learning sticks with you even when your backpack is empty. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll be back shortly with more cursive joy. See you soon.